Hi, I'm Tootie Wilson of Tootylicious. Today I'm going to teach you to make the ultimate barbecue chicken pizza. Let's get started. So I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate barbecue chicken pizza. Okay, so here's some barbecue sauce. And I'm using the mango habanero, which is my favorite. Okay, you just put some all over the crust. And I have grilled chicken here. I'm going to put in some onions, some mushrooms, some cheese. And this pizza is going to be probably the happiest barbecue chicken pizza you have ever had in your life. And also, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of parsley on the top of it. And I'm using dried, so there you go. And just get you a little pinch of it and just sprinkle it on there. Cook it about 10 to 15 minutes on 350, and you'll be the happiest barbecue chicken pizza eating person ever. So there you go. That's how you make the ultimate barbecue chicken pizza.